Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to this video. What's up, learn machines? So in this video, I want to talk about a very powerful method. This method's insane, okay? There's going to be a lot of people who make money with this. Basically what it is, it's basically like Tinder plus good offers that will promote with Tinder traffic. And I mean, this is automated. All you have to do is message some people back and forth. You can even set up stuff to be automated with email. I could talk about that for a minute too about this. So these are the offers. Okay, so you go to Crack Revenue or any other adult network out there. You find dating offers. Okay, these are offers that are like dating sites. People go there, hookup sites, whatever. I don't know. Now these offers they just work. Okay, and these are the top ones right here. These just have the highest freaking EPCs. But remember this: you can do Tinder with freaking French and Spanish traffic. Yes, these are top offers for that. But you can do it for the United States too. But anyway, you can basically set up the location that your Tinder is for. Okay, so look at this. If you're using Tinder, go get the app for Tinder. You're gonna find some hot girl that most people would like. Like if you look into it, most people they like younger girls, not too young, well, like teenage girls is the point of what I'm saying. So teenage girls, okay, would match up with teenage boys, and you need to go very broad appeal. So you pick, let's pick an offer inside United States. Okay, this works. This makes money. Okay, this just works, man. So go find a girl on Instagram. She's got a lot of pictures just of her, just normal. Okay, and you're gonna use them for Tinder, and you could even look on Tinder to find someone and just use their images. Okay. You make a whole account, everything, and you have a Snapchat, okay? So you've got a Snapchat app as well, and you make an account for it and everything. You have an email address for all this to set it all up. And basically, what you do, you basically come across as you're her. So she's like a very attractive girl. You're targeting other guys, okay, to find her profile naturally through Tinder. And because she's attractive, a lot of people will be hitting her up. And when you get direct messages and matches happening and stuff like this, if you want to do the swiping, you can literally start doing the direct message chats, okay? And you can basically send them to contact you over email or obviously go to Snapchat. Then you start having these swipe up links on Snapchat, okay? Or just direct linking on Snapchat to go to these offers. So you can start promoting a lot of offers. You can build up a massive database of people on your Snapchat, okay, which is essentially like an email list. And it's better than doing Instagram because Instagram, people would see the follower count. With Snapchat, they can't really see a follower count. So it's really powerful. And if they like the girl, which they do, if they swiped right, and if they freaking looked into her Snapchat and added her, all this stuff, which it's actually you at the end of the day, and you're promoting as an affiliate and making freaking money. This method works. It's not the main method I do. I do paid ads. If you can see right here, this is how I make money. This is paid ads. This is in 1 month. Okay, hasn't paid out yet because I haven't just clicked withdrawal yet, but I will. And that's just from 1 month with adult. Okay, paid ads. It's crazy. Okay. That profit margins it's extremely high. I believe it's between like 7 and 10x. Okay, with different campaigns and stuff. So it averages out. It's crazy. Okay. These are the top offers. Okay, you got this one, this one, okay, for sure. This one right here for sure. This one maybe. This one looks like no. Oh, yep, USA. So you can literally go super broad with ones that allow a bunch of different areas. You can basically, and here's the thing: when you do your Tinder, when you do the setup for the settings, you literally can do mile radius. So you do the mile radius extremely big. I mean, like miles and miles big, and you're gonna basically get tons of people to see it. Okay, Tinder basically pushes it out for free, and you can start building up an income, hundreds to thousands a day doing this, guys. It's a full-time income for people to make some money. Like, I don't know why you wouldn't. I don't have all the time in the world, so I'm giving people methods that are gold. Like, I would charge thousands of dollars for teaching this method, by the way, just so you know. This method can change someone's life. Just building up a good income, just literally making a fake profile on Tinder, fake profile on Snapchat, and promoting these dating offers, but it can go deeper than that. I would promote just dating, by the way, because it's relevant to the girl. It's like, oh, I recommend this dating site. You can find me here. Oh, go to this cam site. This is another angle I wanted to talk about. So she could say, hey, I have a cam site. I'm on this cam site. Boom, come over here. Okay, like here, you can say, oh, I'm on this one, I'm on this one, I'm on this one. These are huge offers on crack revenue, guys. I made a lot of money with these. These are big offers. Royal Cams, My Free Cams, this one. Okay, I didn't even say it. It was like a weird name. That freaking cams, bro. Okay, so you tell them, you sit and you link to it as an affiliate and you crush it. Now, let's think of one more angle that's even bigger. You make another Gmail account, then you make another Tinder, and then you make another Snapchat. You have a new audience essentially because people are attracted to different types of girls and stuff, okay? And you now have a whole new list of people on Snapchat. You start promoting more offers, more offers, more offers, more offers. And remember, this is all free traffic. And you're getting in front of tons of people. I highly recommend United States, by the way. And the reason why United States has better offers that pay more. Okay. If you do any country outside of that with this method, you're gonna make less money, but you can still make money. I mean, there's a lot of offers all over the place. Okay, this method works like crazy. Just find an attractive girl and leverage her pictures on Instagram. Make sure she has enough pictures on Instagram because that's where you can find a lot of images to leverage. And you can start and you can follow her and start using, if she does any stories, put those stories over on Snapchat and make your own stories too with her, image of her just normal, always normal images, and then text just saying, check me out over here. And you link off to the offer, and you will make conversions, you will make money. Okay, you can build this up to hundreds per day for sure. I guarantee it. You guys will make a lot of money. Okay, this method, go share with your friends. There's no reason to be scarcity and not abundant mindset, and share this method. This method can make you not super rich, but I tell you what, this is a stepping stone for someone who's a beginner. This method is very underground. No one really knows how to do this. I just told you. Okay, rewatch this video several times. Share with your friends this video. This will crush it for you. If you guys want to learn more methods that can make you way more money, check out the Adult Secrets program. That one can crush it for you. And then I also have done for you funnels and how to freaking crush it with those. You have done for you funnels, bro. And then done for you campaigns is a very powerful thing I have. I basically build you a whole entire campaign, run traffic for you, build the site for you, everything like this. I got a mentorship where I teach the ultimate secrets inside of this mentorship. It's crazy, okay? Then I got the golden ticket method, and that one is very secretive. You can check that method out down below. People making money with that. I've been making money with that since I figured out on my own, just combining ideas. I was like, it's a shower idea. I was like, brainstorming stuff, just, thoughts flow. It's kind of like meditation. I thought of it. I was like, what the heck? This is the craziest idea I've ever thought of. So yeah. And then if you guys want to see what's working in the whole entire adult space, I literally give you access to my login for Adplexity Adult, which is basically a spy tool. You can see across the internet what's working. It's like the craziest thing. Okay, I'm giving you a major discount on that. So anyway, you can check out links in the description. Always changing new stuff. Thank you so much for watching Learn Machines. Go implement this right now. This is going to make you guys rich, bro. Like a lot of money. Like a lot of money. It depends how much effort you put into it, but it's very step-by-step what I just told you, and you can crush it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Peace out.